Protest is the beauty of the democracy.
Yes, थोड़ा पीछे. Thanks, bye.
How the protest should be there. Nothing to worry. And our main intention was that financial bill should be passed. The rest is all secondary.
But sir, the disciplinary part that they were throwing papers at you, which was.
I have done my pass the financial bill. They have done there. This is what I said. Nothing to worry. Why to flag ahead on that? Time is a bit safe forward. Our work is done. We have passed it. Nothing else.
Any disciplinary action will be taken against members.
This is all you say. We have passed the financial bill. That is very important. Nothing to worry on that. So you don't go concentrate what actions taken. You just see how the finance bill has been passed.
Yeah.
How this finance bill is there. That's important.
Inside for creating a ruckus inside the well of the assembly and throwing papers at speakers.
See, what was the mistake committed by our MLAs? MLAs who are trying to protect the ruling party ministers. Ruling party minister had claimed that they were the victims of the honey trap. So we sought protection from Chief Minister. We sought protection from Honorable Speaker. We wanted the respect to be protected. So in this regard, when BJP and JDS MLA protested, the Speaker has suspended our 18 MLAs. This is totally undemocratic. It is totally undemocratic. My first question is, when your own minister, when the ruling party senior MLA and a senior minister has demanded probe into honey trap issue, why Chief Minister is hesitating? Why is he hesitating to give it to a probe? Bharatiya Janata Party, we have demanded a CBI investigation or by a judicial inquiry by a sitting High Court judge. This is our demand. But Chief Minister and Home Minister, they have not given any clarity regarding the probe. The Chief Minister is trying to run away from this episode. The issue is, it is not the question of the respect of two ministers. Now the issue is, this question is regarding all 224 MLAs, because the minister himself has claimed more than 48 MLA and leaders belonging to both state level and national level. They have been the victims of the honey trap. This was a claim made by the minister himself. So our demand is justifiable, it's totally justice. We are seeking a CBI probe. So instead of protecting his MLAs, instead of protecting his ministers, Chief Minister is running away or shying away from handing over the matter to the investigation. So we demand Chief Minister to give the matter for CBI investigation, whereas the Speaker's decision is concerned. It is unfortunate. Being the Speaker of the House, it was his duty to protect the interest of all 224 MLAs. Rather than coming into the rescue of our MLAs, even Speaker chose to fall in line with the ruling party. This is very unfortunate and totally undemocratic.
Will you be going to the governor right now? Will you be going to the governor right now?
Next move now, because all these 18 people are not.
MLAs are suspended.
Yes, the 18 MLAs behaved very unruly. Never in the history of Karnataka's assembly, they tore this one, they were get out the speaker, they did not have any respect to the chair. It was totally unbecoming of our members to behave like that. They were standing next to the Swan and all this. They did everything possible, violated everything possible things in that assembly. So they have been expelled.
So you find it is justified?
This is just 100% justified.
No, it is inevitable for the speaker because he has to protect the dignity, decorum of the chair. He personally has not taken a decision. It is inevitable. I think respectable members of the assembly should have, we including me, we have to know the limitation and we have to respect this chair and also the constitution and the rules and procedure of the assembly. But unfortunately, it is beyond the limit. That's why it is inevitable that the chairman has taken such a decision. It is not, we are not happy with this one. The way the BJP MLS has argued in the assembly, it is not fair. They have got liberty to speak anything within the limitation of the place where they have to stand. It should not go above the chair. That is the problem. I think it is inevitable. We have taken a decision.
You were saying that if you had been speaker, you would have taken that. Now the speaker has taken a very strong decision. How you find it?
Speaker has taken a historical decision by suspending 18 MLAs for a duration of 6 months. So I appreciate and justify this statement. I stand with the Speaker decision because he done a justice to the Constitution of India. So if anyone throws a paper and books on Speaker chair, I am not speaking about UT Khadar sir. It's the chair. The MLA should respect the chair. They disrespected the Speaker chair. So Speaker has done a great job. So I stand with the Speaker.
But this has become a kind of trend across all the country.
No, every time they used to suspend for a few days. Now it has happened for 6 months. No, so it's a great decision by the Speaker.
Do you see that this will send message to the other assembly also?
So it sends a strong message to the entire country. Yes, Speaker is supreme in the assembly. No one else. Thank you.
सर, कल से वो हनी ट्रैप का बारे में हम अत्यंत शांतियुत धरना करता था हम लोग। वो मंत्री, रूलिंग पार्टी का सीनियर मंत्री, वो बताया है मेरा ऊपर हनी ट्रैप का षड्यंत्र हुआ है। इसका पीछे कौन कौन है वो मेरा पूरा कंप्लेंट दे रहा है। होम मिनिस्टर को ऐसा बताया था। आज हम शुरू हुआ है असेंबली का शुरू होने का पहले अनाउंस करना पड़ा था कौन सा तरफ वो इंक्वायरी दे रहा है, सीबीआई को दे रहा है, नहीं तो सीओडी के दे रहा है। बिना अनाउंस करके सादा सीधा मुख्यमंत्री को बजट का ऊपर में रिप्लाई देने के लिए सभापति बोल दिया है। सो इसका इरादा क्या है? वो छुपाने के लिए, वो हनी ट्रैप का क्लोज करने के लिए उनका इरादा है। ऐसा समझ के हमारा नेता लोग हम डिसाइड कर दिया है ये नहीं छोड़ना है। ये खाली कांग्रेस का, बीजेपी का, जेडीएस का नहीं, वो पूरा विधेयक का वो क्या है, पूरा वो इज्जत का सवाल है। इसलिए इंक्वायरी पहले अनाउंस करो। वो नहीं माना है। वो स्पीकर भी पहले वो एमएलए था, विधायक था, वो टाइम में ऐसा हंगामा करके 2 बार वो भी सस्पेंड हुआ था। वो मालूम है। फिर भी ऐसा करने तो हम क्या करना पड़ा, वो दबा करके वो स्पीकर ऐसा कर दिया। इसलिए हम थोड़ा जोरदार से हम गलाटा कर दिया है। 6 महीने हमारा 18 विधेयक को सस्पेंड कर दिया है। हम सोच रहे हैं राज्यपाल का, हमारा ऑनरेबल गवर्नर के पास भी जा रहा है। बाहर हमारा पार्टी का तरफ कैसा हंगामा करना हम सोच रहा है। थैंक यू मैडम।
ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ
सर किस तरह से देखें, क्योंकि कांग्रेस कह रही है कि विधायकों का व्यवहार जो था बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली था और ऐसे नहीं है, निर्णय जो लिया गया वो सही है।
इमरजेंसी लागू किया कौन सा पार्टी? कांग्रेस पार्टी। जनता को पूरा हक को करप्ट किया कौन सा पार्टी? कांग्रेस पार्टी। उस समय अपोजिशन पार्टी लीडर को भी गिरफ्तार किया था कांग्रेस पार्टी। कांग्रेस पार्टी के हम क्या अपेक्षा कर सकते?